Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we are reviewing the vevor. It doesn't even have a name, honestly. It's just like the vevor heat press. It came with this giant ass box, as you guys can see right there. It's really huge, and we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna show you guys everything we learned from it and test it out on a shirt. Maybe I might do a follow-up video for testing for a mug and a cap if you guys like this video. Now let's talk about the things you get inside this huge box, which I don't think I can fit it in here, but I'll certainly show it to you guys. Everything we get in the heat press machine. So first stuff is first, we get I think this is like where the heat press is gonna be at. Like this is gonna be like the plate you're gonna be using for the heat press. So we have the plate itself, as you can see right here. Alright, the first thing we get is a manual card for the heat press. You guys can see it right here. This is, I believe, for the hat. We got a parts. I believe this is also parts for the mug as well. Screws. I think this you can use this tool to adjust the heat press. We got tools. This is connected to a cable. I believe there's also a part for the hat as well. Here we got a cable for plugging in. This is a European plug, as you can see. And we also get some loose screws. I don't know why they're loose, but they're loose screws. And then we got the big boy, the heat press itself. I'm not gonna lie with you guys, this heat press is huge. Like it's like damn huge. Like I don't know if you guys like can see it very well, but like let me try to show you a comparison. Like this thing is huge. Okay, if I can like take it out, okay, I can just do that. I can't like take it out fully. It's too bad. I was thinking I could like take it back completely, but oh, I can like put it aside, but I can't do anything else. But like, anyway, so this is what you get to work with. Oh, this is like going forever. Alright, but anyways, so this is the place you can work with. I'm gonna measure right now distance. So it's about 39, like 40 by 30. And we got this tool. It's actually also really huge. Let me just show you guys. Maybe from a distance. This is the tool you get. This is for the cap, I believe. Actually, not. It's only for. Maybe it's for the cap and both. But like, it looks like for the mug, as you guys can see. Looks maybe like for the mug. But anyways, these are all designs that I have that I can heat press. As you guys can see, the quality is not the best. There's like some things on there, so it's gonna be really hard to heat press. I don't know if the heat press is able to do that. So let's test it out. Now it goes all the way in. See? See? Nice. I can take it out. So we're gonna go back to the manual card because you know we have never done this before, so it's important we keep with the rules. So. Okay, so what we're gonna do, at least what I like to do, I'm gonna grab the plug in, by the way. Let me show you what I'm doing right now here. I'll do just random things so that you guys can see it. Can I make it higher? so what we're gonna do is we have a power cable right here. We're gonna plug it in. Are we so far? Yes, we are so far. And then we're not gonna turn it like on yet. We're gonna preheat it first, and after we preheat it, that's not it. We're gonna have to use it on the shirt, but I'm not gonna use it immediately. We've given it power. Now what we left off to do is turn it on. We're gonna press the power button. Before we do that, what is this button? What is this button here? Okay, so we're gonna press the power button, and it turns on. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this thing right here, and we're gonna make sure that we have our temperature set. So how do we do temperature? Really easy. We just go to mode, set, time.
A few moments later.
Alright, I thought to record this because I think this is quite important, I think. So when I set the temperature to 230 using the temperature button, it didn't go to 230. When I set the set to 230 and the temp to 230, but when I set the set and the temp to 230, both of them, it goes ahead with the temperature. So if you're struggling this at home, just set the set and the temperature, both of them, to 230, and it should do the trick. Alright, as you guys can see, it's now reached our temperature, desired temperature, which is 230, and it's going down right now, but that's totally fine. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna like heat press it just like for a couple of seconds, just to check it out, you know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just press it for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we're gonna lift it again, just to test it out, you know. And then we're gonna take this thing out of here. Yeah, it's quite hot, so I have to be very careful. So I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna place it right over here somewhere. Okay, and then we're gonna test it out. We're gonna test out how beast this thing is. So we're gonna go ahead, rotate our tool to the desired position. We're gonna lock it a bit more, just a bit more, tiny bit more, and then we're gonna click on start, and then we're gonna heat press it. Now we're gonna wait for 20 seconds, you know, as it's set on the manual card. And I really do hope that the pressure is even. Really do hope so. And then what we're gonna do is it's done. So we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna switch it up. So this is not good. What I'm saying here is not very nice, and I mean, it did work, don't get me wrong, it did work. As you guys can see, it actually did work, but what I feel like is something is very wrong. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it for the second time, attempt number 2. They said 20 seconds is good, so I like it to make it even more than 20 seconds, but also I like to heat up my shirt before I use it even. So that's what we're gonna do again. And see what's up. Attempt number 2 testing phase. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna attempt it number 2 right now. You guys remember what happens with number 1, so okay, let's just test this out. Now we're gonna be waiting 14 seconds. Hopefully everything is evenly. Seems like everything is evenly, but I didn't like what happened with our other shirt, you know? It became really ugly, and maybe it was too hot or something, I don't know, but I did not like it. So we're gonna take it out. we're gonna rotate this guy around. Okay, so we're gonna wait a couple of seconds just to cool it off, you know, just let it cool off. Okay, I think this is more than enough time for cooling off, and then we're gonna take it out. So it seems like it didn't catch it there completely, but here it did. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just use it again because it didn't take all the places. So we're just gonna do it one more time, but I'm not gonna do it like a whole 20 seconds because 20 seconds is like a long time thing. Right. Should be good now. Let's peel it again. Alright, so yeah, I told you guys before I did not like the glue at all, so I really don't mind if it didn't go very well. But as you guys can see, it actually went a bit better than I expected. Let me show it to you guys. You guys can see it right there. Alright guys, so to conclude, this is one of the shirts that I printed, as you guys can see. I used this actually with the heat press, the easy one, so I didn't actually use the heat press that I showed you in the video, but you guys can see what you can do with the actual heat press once you actually configured it very well. And also this is one of the things I did with the current heat press that I'm actually reviewing in this video right now. So if you guys like the quality right here, it's the same heat press. I'm still like getting used to the heat press itself, so I think I'll be making another video. So if you guys do like this video, just go ahead, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the heat press itself. I'll be leaving the link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, and drop by a comment, and subscribe if you like the video and want to see more videos as well. So you guys take care, and yeah, explore.